In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Expedia. Whether you've got a new email address or just want to update your details, I've got you covered. So, let's dive right into it and make sure you're all set with the most current information on your account. The first thing you'll want to do is visit Expedia.com. Once there, locate the Sign In option and go ahead and log into your account. If you're not yet signed in, this is the perfect starting point. Look for your profile name in the top right corner of the page. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Account, which will take you directly to your account settings. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu. One of the options there is labeled Email Settings. Click on that, and it will bring you to the next part of our journey. We're now ready to update the email address. You'll see an option that says Change your email address. Click on this, and a form will appear asking for your new email details. Go ahead and enter your new email address and make sure you confirm it by typing it in again in the appropriate field. Once you're confident that you've entered everything correctly, or maybe you even double-checked it, click Save to update your email information in the system. Now, there's one more important step before we finish. Expedia may send a verification email to your new address, so head over to your email inbox and keep an eye out for that email. If it doesn't appear in your main inbox, make sure to check your spam folder just in case it landed there by mistake. Once you find the email, you will see a verification link. Clicking on that link is crucial as it completes the process of updating your email on Expedia. This step not only finalizes the change, but also ensures that you have access to this new email, which is important for receiving communications from Expedia, including booking confirmations and other crucial updates. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully changed your email on Expedia, ensuring that all future communications reach you without a hitch. Remember, keeping your account information up to date is key to having smooth and secure experiences on platforms like Expedia. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, safe travels and take care.